Look, Dodog, our rocket is almost ready. It's going to look great at the school's astronomy fair display. And you've helped me a lot. Now we just need to put this top part you're bringing and... Our rocket is ready. It looks really cool. Let's get inside and simulate an adventure. You'll be my co-pilot. Let's put on your helmet. Wow, it looks like a real rocket. Look at this panel. Incredible.
Commander Pete, ready for launch? Is your equipment checked?
Casa Control Tower, everything looks good here. You can start the countdown.
Understood. Preparing for takeoff. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off.
We have liftoff, Dodog. We're still 85 meters above the ground. This is a number with two place values, 1s and 10s. Look at the panel, it has already decomposed the number. Awesome. Math is really in everything. This rocket is very fast. We've already reached 953 meters. Here we have 900s, 5 10s, and 3 1s, but we're still in the 1s period.
Commander Pete, updating your position. You've just entered the thousands period, and you're already reaching 9,347 meters.
Understood, Tower. We're climbing fast, Dodog. We've reached 9,000s, 300s, 4 10s, and 7 1s. We left the 1s period and have entered the thousands period. In this period, numbers start from 1,000 onwards. Look, Dodog. Now, we're at 25,487 meters. It's the 5th digit, and it's called 1,000. Look here on the panel. It's 2 10s in the thousands period, 5 thousands in the ones place, 400s, 8 10s, and 7 1s in the ones period.
Tower calling Commander.
Please proceed, Casa.
Attention. You are at 85,612 meters.
Understood. We've already climbed 8 10s and 5 1s in the thousands period, 6 hundreds, 1 10, and 2 1s in the ones period. The composition of this number is 80,000 plus 5,000 plus 600 plus 10 plus 2. And we read it as 85,612. Dodog, from here we can see the Earth looking very blue. The view is beautiful. Whoa! I'm talking to myself here. Where are you, Dodog? What are you doing floating up there? Wow, we have climbed really high. We're already in the layer where it's not possible to stay grounded. That's why you're floating. You look funny up there. I told you to stay in the seat and put on your seatbelt. You little rascal. Come on, Dodog. I'll put you back in the seat. Now, let's activate the cameras attached to the rocket and take the photos requested by the Casa base. Look at that! Our planet is impressive, isn't it? And what wonderful photos we'll take back to the base. Mission successfully accomplished. We need to return to Earth. Dinner time is coming up soon. Attention, Casa! We're returning to Earth. Here we are at 99,999 meters, almost leaving the 10,000 period. Get ready, Dodog. Now, the distance from Earth will start decreasing. When we went up, we were in ascending order. The numbers were increasing. Now that we're coming down, we're in descending order and the numbers will decrease. Follow along on the panel. Soon we'll be home.
Attention crew of Remarkable 3. Entering the thousands layer and descending.
Understood, Control Tower. Attention, Dodog. We'll be landing very soon. Get ready. Casa, we've now entered the ones period, still in the hundreds digits.
Commander and co-pilot, prepare for landing in a few seconds. You are already in the tens digits at 27 meters. Attention, parachute activated. You've reached the unit's order. Impact in 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Attention control tower. Landing successfully completed. Mission accomplished. Our adventure was very cool. It was awesome sharing all this experience with you, my pup pilot.